Morning, morning.
Morning, love.
New Sunday morning message. You get the message? Yeah. You say this is the answer. 6 minutes past the hour of 10 o'clock in the sun now. You need to turn on the radio. Stop there for yourself.
attitude we get longer.
I just want to say big up to this guy right here, Big Ras Enterprise. You don't know, big up to Big Ras, you know what I mean? You're a business place, this, you know what I mean? I always show a whole heap of love to Jamaica walk by. So you know, so once me down here, so I'm going to showcase Big Ras Enterprise. You see me I say? Yeah. Big up, Big Ras. A mad thing. Yeah.
You know one store named TikTok Fashion?
Ah, TikTok Fashion.
Yeah.
You know, so me, after yesterday, me hear people talk about that TikTok Fashion. But me not think it open on this at all. I think
No, the
upon
price is 7 pounds.
this a matches rain.
Which part? No, me
Alright.
answer it then.
Which then tell her which street it upon?
So please, if you like, West Street, something.
West Street. Alright, this a matches.
You have service for your phone?
No, not right now. Alright, go straight up. You see, alright, that's a Beckford Street. So
Which
more,
street is that?
I wonder if East Street it depend. I'm not sure which street it depend to tell you that
Go
true.
up there, so
Yeah, you can any one of them you the right this upon. You see a right eye van, ask them.
Alright.
Respect my friend. TikTok shop. Me hear about the place there, you know. Even yesterday me hear people are talk about it, but I'm not sure exactly which part to locate it. Today is Sunday, so not sure if none of them places are open like that. If you're open today, well. TikTok shop. We don't even book up that. out. Good man, see my move there, man. Good man. Godfather. Careful. Man, stay. No Joseph, no nobody today, eh? Wow, go on. You know me not buy you now, my teacher walk by, is he? Oh, see. A girl here actually TikTok shop. Me not sure right that who this is.
Yeah, dude. Yeah.
So,
Real boss.
yeah, say me not catch you not today, but want to catch you half gear to show them the preparation before the work, you know.
Yeah.
You know it's a TikTok shop there? You find it where there?
Yeah.
Where they do? Then lock, oh.
No, me use my phone.
Oh.
Yeah. And you can't use it for a tongue drive, you can't repeat it for your phone on it.
This is Beckford Street. You guys never seen Beckford Street so calm yet. This is when Beckford Street calm, you understand? You know, people them forward out now after the weekend where the busy part and them just take time and just fix up the install, restock and get ready for Monday straight to Saturday again, you see me? All of them people. But what me can tell you though, the man them still the boat, them circle them ends. Some of the teacher them still out to sell jeans and stuff on the Sunday. Same speed. So clearly every day is a bargain day downtown Kingston massive. You understand? But if you have brave heart, you will forward because you can see through video say yo, you can see it's like a zombie part someplace, to be honest with you. So if you have a soft heart, you can't forward. You have to forward them place brave and bold. Have a part. I'm not scratchy, you know. Oh, yo. Yeah. So, it's in there, I say. Who remember this pizza place, right? So. Yeah. Joseph Panegron. Yeah, show them say a downtown where they never see yet.
On a Sunday, Sunday vibes.
Sunday.
Yeah, man, that is it, man.
Joseph Bassif. Nah, I mean, real businessman down at town. You can't afford down at town and not support that G film spot right there. So, you understand? During the week, on Friday, Saturday, you don't know all of the beautiful shirt them for the ladies, them, the Barbie, them. Tell somebody the name of the shirt them where you sell on so. Me know the Barbie them, all of them, L-Star, Amari, everything. Every style. I mean. So, you know, many people never see place, so calm down.
Yeah, on a Sunday.
Yeah,
Sunday
where the place
alone,
empty. The man, them a fix up back the install, them a fix up back the building, the cleaning up a gwaan. The garbage man, them out here and chuck down there, so I don't know where to take up. I wonder if I get in them.
Manners.
You see me?
Yeah.
But at the real downtown massive, Beckford Street. So we just walk through a little bit and I show you what it look like on a Sunday when the place empty. Yo, so my part them all pass around them side, they call like a zombie land. Call like all of the homeless then come out and it's scary, you know what I mean? So I tell them so you have to be careful because sometimes you're on a Sunday because some of them are cheap, you know. And then we just run up on you because them don't know better, you understand? Yeah, when my godfather there. You know, so I not keep up the time because I make sure I walk through and think. But my boy there, come in, make a walk with us, sir. Tell Bookie say I make a move. Yeah. I say I used to, but I figure say somebody will know me. When gone?
Gone up the fence.
Oh, alright.
It's a soon come.
Oh, it's a film shit. Yeah, go right out. Go on, right out. Go pass. Yeah, man, I saw them live down as like brother too, you see me? No man not trouble nobody thing. I mean, just left the key in the car just in case nobody want to pass and thing. You see me? Beckford Street. Yeah. Alright, where I got you? No, I'm not buying no though, Godfather. No buy, I know. Oh, that. Two the two? You no rest? Yes. Yeah, you no rest. Bro, G said dead, but I'll load rest. I've never seen Downtown Kingston like this. I don't think I've ever been here on a Sunday. Don't think I've ever seen this place on a Sunday. It's the first time for me. You to show me. Yeah, man, I see. Your tune. Oh, you can show me. Boy, Mama, no I'm doing it right now, you know, God believe me. I can't bother with this. Couldn't take on this up on the Sunday. No, sir. Big Ross, big up yourself, you know. Want tobacco? Yeah. Martin. Remember now, if you don't have a strong heart forward on a Sunday down here, don't come down them side here. You see me, I say, see your place, look. Anything can go on. You see me? I actually dress away still, so pretty much look like I just ride around this and live. If you tell you God truth, you see me? You have to have a look there, you see? So if you're forward down, you have to come by on a Sunday. Make sure so you just stay at Beckford Street and go across Orange Street and go Parade. That's where the people them really there sell, you see me? Yeah man, you have to know that, dog. Yeah. Remember me tell you. You have to know. Grind me town, man. I don't know, big up to Miss Cadine Sterling. I don't know, big up to Kez. Anyway, you're there in the world, blessings and respect, Kez. You understand? Some guy from Toronto, big up yourself. Mark, I see a word, you understand? I big up and respect same speed, you hear that? So all them turn off, yeah? Oh, go catch locking on them turn off your reverse. Nobody be lost. You understand? Miss Charmaine, blessings and respect here. Every time, everybody within the chat section, the premiere. Everybody we're about to leave a comment right now, blessings and respect. Big up to everybody who actually leave a comment in the video. So if you are watched thus far, please, I'm asking you to leave a comment in the comment section. Please share your thoughts. Tell us what you think, you know what I mean? If you like the video, please like it. Don't just watch, give it a like, you understand? If you don't like it, give a thumbs down, you know what I mean? No problem with that same way. Because you have to be honest to yourself regardless, is it? So, the video not finished yet, but please, You can comment 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times. Remember. Understand? Yes, man. I'm not joke thing, man. Real Downtown Kingston. Well, so far you can see say, the garbage collector them pretty much collect most of that side there already, which is Orange Street. Orange Street pretty much soon finished clean up. Or look like them done. Yeah, cause this would have been way mad than this. So we reach back on Orange Street. Big up to Annette, you know what I mean? And I want to big up to Heather T. Yeah, Heather T, big up yourself, respect in all aspects. You know what I mean? Yeah. Keep on doing it. Big up to Jamaica in 10. As well. So, blessings if you don't hear me call your name. I much love same speed. It's Cadine Sterling. You don't know. Much love. Big up for all I support everything that you've been doing for Jamaica Walk By. You see? Art of love. There's a church down here.